Alright people, here we are. I am removing the air intake system. If you're wondering why I'm removing it, it's because I bought myself a cold air intake. But as you can see, I'm still having a little bit of problems here and there. But anyways, I'm going to remove that and that, and we'll leave this all open. Okay, I remove the air hose. As you can tell, duct tape solves all the freaking what you call problems in the world almost. And to remove the mass sensor, those two bolts right there are 10 millimeters. All the other small bolts here that held the whole intake system together are held by 10 millimeters. So it's not really that hard to take apart. So there's the throttle body. There's my duct tape job. There's the MAF sensor, IET sensor. We're going to be using that after. But I'm going to separate this from the whole system and then reinstall it with the new pipes I just bought. They're not new, but anyways, you'll see later on. There's the new intake system. Yep, bought it second hand though, so it's used, maybe new. Anyways, it came with all the accessories. And there's the whole intake system. And just relocating the reservoir. I'm going to relocate it over here somehow afterwards. And there's the hole where your filter's going to sit. Yeah, as you can see, there's a little bit of rust. It's not too bad. But we're going to fit this puppy in here and see what we can do. Alright. Make sure you put everything on loose. Do not tighten anything yet. That's just the way it goes. Your mass sensor fits in like so. But remember, look for the arrow. There you go, there's the arrow. Make sure the arrow is pointing towards the engine. So, there we have it. Now we're just going to put everything together and tighten everything up. Okay, finished product. There we go. Yeah, there's a little bit of rust there, but that's okay. Let's pull this back. And that's what it's supposed to look like. You just follow the instructions. And away you go. So, there's my mess right now.